Hi everyone! Today we're taking a look at the stylish Lenco LS-55WA vinyl record player. It's an affordable home model designed for beginners who want to experience vinyl without complicated setup. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more reviews for you. Let's begin. The turntable arrives in a fairly large box. Inside, dense protective inserts keep everything firmly in place during transportation. The packaging looks simple, but it's designed to ensure the turntable arrives without damage, which is especially important because vinyl players are sensitive to impacts. Inside the box, you'll find the turntable itself, a dust cover, a power cable, and a user manual. The body is made in a light wood style that looks great in almost any interior. The transparent cover can be lifted or removed entirely. The controls are straightforward: speed selection, a start button, and an auto-stop feature. There is also a small cueing lever which gently lowers the needle onto the record. Since the player has built-in speakers, you don't need any additional audio equipment to start listening right away. The turntable supports two standard speeds, 33 and 45 RPM, which is enough for the majority of records. The built-in speakers deliver decent sound for home listening, but you can connect external speakers if you want richer audio. The auto-stop function turns off the rotation when the record finishes, making it convenient for background listening. The cueing lever makes handling the needle more comfortable and helps extend its lifespan. Everything runs directly from the wall outlet with no additional amplifiers or external modules required. The player is incredibly easy to use. You can place it on a table, plug it in, and listen to music immediately. Perfect for beginners. The stylish wooden design blends nicely into interiors and makes the turntable look more like a decorative element than a technical device. The cueing lever and auto stop help protect your vinyl collection and make everyday use stress-free. The built-in speakers are a great bonus for anyone starting out and not ready to invest in a separate sound system. The built-in speakers won't satisfy everyone. They're fine for a small room, but if you want deeper, richer sound, external speakers will be necessary. The cartridge is a budget one, so the audio quality is average. That's normal for an entry-level turntable, but demanding listeners may want more detail. There is no Bluetooth or USB support, so you cannot stream music from your phone. Only classic vinyl playback is available. The Lenco LS-55WA leaves a pleasant overall impression. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to bring the atmosphere of analog music into their home without spending too much. It looks nice, takes up very little space, and requires almost no setup. The sound is warm and soft, a typical trait of budget vinyl players, and it becomes even better if you pair it with proper external speakers. It's an excellent entry-level option for exploring the world of vinyl and enjoying a simple, comfortable listening experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy reviews of turntables and other audio gear, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Leave a comment and tell me whether you listen to vinyl and which turntable you're using right now. See you in the next video.